Hello all. Today I am going to discuss the topic factors and multiples. Right? Factors in sense. A factor means a factor of a number. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of the number. An exact divisor of that number. Say for an example, okay, let me take 15. This 15, which tables and all that 15 will come? First of all, one table definitely will come. Small people and all will know, right? Small children and all, definitely it is a basic for them. Factors and multiples, everyone wants to know that. Factors and very commonly we are talking about the mathematics, and still we have more doubts in this. So I want to clear this now. So 15, what are the factors of 15 in sense? 1 and 15. Compulsorily the 15 will come. One table you see, 15 will come. 15 into 1 is equal to 15. 1 into 15 is equal to 15. Okay, fine. 2 table, 15 will come? No. Right. 3 table? Yes, will come. So 3, 5. Why 3? 3 into 5 is 15. So 3 is a factor for 15 and 5 is also a factor for this 15. So 3, 5 is a, that's it, right? So 6 table, 7 table, no, it will not come. So 1, 15, 3, 5. These are all the factors of 15. One more number I will take. 21. Okay. So 1. Again 21. So 2 table will not come. In 2 table you check. 21 will come. No, it will not come. 3 table. Yes. 3, 7. Because 3 into 7 is equal to 21. The 3 table also, so 21 will come, and 7 table also 21 will come. So these are all the factors of 21. Okay guys. So what is the 1 here? 1 is the factor for all this number. 1 will come. 1 and the number itself, it will come. The factor is very compulsory here. These two numbers are compulsorily, it has to come. In sense, the number itself and the number 1. Okay? Fine. Then next is, so 1 is a factor for every number. 1 is a factor for every number. Then I am going to talk about the multiples. Multiples means what? What is meant by multiples? It is said to be a multiple of any of its factor. Any of its factor. In sense, 5 I am writing. What is the multiple of that? Any of its factor. It says 5 is there. First you write 5. Then 5 into 2. Twice of 2 is 10. 5 into 3, 13. Sorry, 5 into 3, 15. And 20, 25. It is going on like that. And one more. 3. What are the multiples of 3? 3 table you write. It's enough actually. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. It is going on like that. Okay. The factors will be having some limited numbers, but multiples they don't have some limited numbers. So it will be going on like that. Okay. These are all the factors and the multiples. Okay. Then next is various types of numbers. Various types of numbers. It is, first one is even number. What is even number? Even number means the multiples of 2 are called even numbers. The multiples of 2 means it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, ... It is even number. Multiples of 2. Okay. What is odd number? What is odd number? The numbers which are not multiples of 2, that is a odd number. So in sense what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It is a odd number. Multiples of 2 in sense, you know, multiples you know, right? Multiples of 2. So 2 table you have to write. 2 table in sense 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It is a even number. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It is which is not a multiple of 2. That is the odd. In the prime numbers, it is numbers which is having exactly 2 factors other than 1 and the number itself. That is prime number. Okay. So these are all the list of the prime numbers I have written. So here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So everything I have written from number 1 to 100. Okay. Take any number. 43 you take. So the factors are what? 1 and 43. You don't have any other factor for 43. Okay, any other number. 59. 1 and 59 only. You don't have any other factor other than this number 1 and 59. So these two, just for the example I have taken. So for these all the numbers from 1 to 100 I have written. Okay, this is the prime numbers. Now what I am telling, see the list of numbers. Everything is odd numbers, right? Everything is odd number except this 2. Okay, so 2 is the lowest even integer. 2 is the lowest even integer in the prime number. Composite numbers. Numbers having more than 2 factors. Numbers having more than 2 factors is a composite number. What I told you for prime numbers, numbers having exactly 2 factors. That is prime numbers I told. But here composite number in sense, the numbers having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. In sense what? Any number you can take it like 9. 1 and 9 is compulsory. Then 3. More than 2. Yeah, it is a composite number. 12. 1 and 12 is compulsory. Then 4, 3, 6, 2. 4 3s are 6 2s are. Yeah, this is also composite number. Okay. So composite number is more than 2 factors. That is a composite number. And one more thing. 1 is neither prime nor composite. What is that? That 1 we can tell no, that 1 is neither prime and nor composite. 1 if I take, okay. So what is that? Nothing. It will be like 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay. And 2 is the lowest prime number. And one more fact I am telling you people. Right. 2 is the lowest prime number. Okay. Fine. Okay, fine. The next one is twin prime. What is meant by twin prime? It's twins. Twins means what? It is a double. Okay. 2 consecutive odd prime numbers. 2 consecutive prime numbers. So 2 consecutive prime numbers which we call as a twin prime. Okay, prime number list is what? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 it is. 1 is neither prime nor composite, guys, you know. So 2 is the lowest prime number. So I have started some of the list of the prime number. So twin prime is 2, 3. 2, 3 is a twin prime. 3, 5 is twin prime. Next number. 5, 7 is a twin prime. So say for 11 and 13, yes, it is a twin prime. Next number, no? Next consecutive means next number. So 11 and 13 is a twin prime. 13, 17 is a twin prime. Okay. So twin prime means 2 consecutive prime numbers, that we can call it as a twin prime. Okay. Then, what is the next? Prime triplet. Prime triplet. Prime triplet means the same thing, the consecutive 3 numbers. Set of 3 consecutive prime numbers. A set of 3 consecutive prime numbers. So already the prime number list I have written. So here in this case, what happened? Prime triplet, this 3 or the prime triplet. 2, 3, 5. Yes, it is a prime triplet. 7, 11, 13, or 3, 5, 7, or 11, 13, 17. So whatever, consecutively 3 numbers if you are taking, that is prime triplet. Okay. Next thing is co-prime. Co-prime. Co-prime means if they do not have a common factor. They do not have a common factor. They do not have a common factor. See, example you see. What? Other than 1. It is very important, guys. Other than 1. Yeah, all the numbers having 1, 1 is a factor, right? Okay, 2 and 3 you check. It is 1 and 2. This 1 and 3. This 2 and 3 is a co-prime. Okay, 1 is compulsory. All the numbers having the 1 is a factor, right? This 2 is here, 3 is there. Okay, then these 2 are the co-prime. Another set of number. 3, 4. Yes, 3. You write 1, 3. 4. Yes, 1, 2, 4. Okay. So they don't have the same common factor, they don't have. So 3, 4 is a co-prime. You understand? So only the 2 numbers. No, it will be many numbers, right? So the 4 also it will be. They do not have a common factor other than 1. That's it. I am not telling this is a prime numbers. So 3, 4 is a co-prime. 1, 3 and what is this? 4 for that. 1, 2, 4. They don't have any common factor other than 1. So I can tell this is a co-prime. Okay. The last one is perfect numbers. The last one is perfect numbers. What is the perfect numbers? Okay. Sum of all the factors of a number, sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times the number. Is 2 times the number. Listen, perfect number in sense, 6 is a perfect number. Why I am telling? See, what is the first factors you write? 1, 6, 2, 3. Okay. Add it. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Okay. 1 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 12. This 12 is twice of this number, right? 6 into 2 is 12, right? So that is what I am telling. 6 is a perfect number. First of all, you write the factors. Then after writing the factors, you sum it. Add it. After adding it, whatever the number you are getting, that is twice of that number. 6 means 12 it will come. So this 6 is a perfect number I can declare. So one more number if I tell. 28. 28. What are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, again 28. Right? If I sum this, what will come? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28 is 56. 56 is a twice of this. 28 into 2 is equal to 56. So I can tell this one 28 is a perfect number. Right? Thank you guys.